Good morning. My name is Falguni Rana from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm sure the Indian community knows me very well. I'm a community leader, I would say, for the past several years. A classical Indian dancer, helping the community by teaching dance to kids who are talented, a writer of newspaper, working on my first book, and a practice development manager as a full-time job. I'm of Indian origin, a proud American citizen, and I've lived in America more than I've lived in India. It's tomorrow, and this election will decide our country's future. We have some powerful hours ahead of us. Go Trump. I'm very excited because I believe President Trump will win the election. The polls have a different picture, and it's obvious that anyone can get nervous because the world has changed tremendously over the past so many years and have been taken over by radicals and terrorists. Now, why 2020 is the most important election in our lifetime? This year's election is most important because it's a tired cliche, one parroted by presidents and politicians every 2 years in hopes of driving their voters to the polls. But cliches become cliches for a reason. They tend to be true. This year, the decisions voters make on November 3rd, which is tomorrow, Tuesday, will reverberate for a generation to come through all the three branches of American government and across the world. Our President Trump will be a winner again, because all he did in his 4 years in the office is MAGA. Make America great again. President Trump, to further crack down on illegal immigration, he'll win president. He has to win. He has governed in his first term as a fierce culture warrior, intent on reshaping American government and refocusing its foreign policy in an unprecedented manner. God bless President Trump. Trump's major achievements in 2019 alone, despite the despicable opposition who would try to put him down at all times and the media not favoring him. He is a true warrior and unafraid, and he has stood still against all tide. He has continued to appoint conservative judges at a record pace. The Senate recently confirmed Trump's 50th pick for the Federal Circuit Courts of Appeal, which have final say over about 60,000 cases a year. The second point is, he ordered the operation that killed the leader, Abu Bakr of Baghdad. It was a high-risk mission that required U.S. forces to fly hundreds of miles into terrorist-controlled territory. If things had gone horribly wrong, Trump would have been blamed. But he took the risk, and that's why what did our former President Joe Biden advise? He said not to carry out that mission. Trump did not hesitate the way Biden did. The third point, he delivered the biggest blow to Planned Parenthood in the last 3 decades, thanks to Trump's Protect Life rule that prohibits Title X family planning funds from going to any clinic that performs on-site abortions. Planned Parenthood announced this year that it's leaving the Title X program, barring a court victory. This is a major pro-life victory, and another reason Christian conservatives continue to support him. His tariff threats forced Mexico to crack down on illegal immigration. Mexico is for the first time in recent history enforcing its own immigration laws. I would say, please, there's more on and on, but I don't have time right now. I'll be doing it again. But 4 more years, from 2020 to 2024 of President Trump, we want you as our president. And once again, my name is Falguni Rana. Go Trump. Jai Hind, and God bless America.